Hello, this is a video tour of 2001 Shoreline in Alameda. This building is located directly across from a beach. There's volleyball, hiking trails, beautiful view. The building comes with an amazing swim pool, laundry in the building, and also parking. Okay, so let's enter the unit. We're going to be touring right now, Unit 207. This is a 2-bedroom, 2-bath unit with large coat closet right as you walk in. To the right is the first bedroom. The bedrooms are fully carpeted with very large closets. You have a nice bar and shelf and sliding mirrored doors. Very clean and light-filled unit with many wonderful amenities. This bedroom has a full bathroom attached with shower. Across the way is the second bedroom. As you can see, lots of natural light and big closets. Okay, so just outside the bedrooms, you have another full bathroom. This one has a bathtub and shower combination with glass enclosure. Nice big living room. There's a dining room combination. This is where you would put a little breakfast table, or you can actually fit a dining table. Okay, eat-in kitchen. Kitchen has a dishwasher, sink, oven, cooktop, refrigerator, and direct access to your private patio overlooking a beautiful swim pool. Okay, if you are interested in this lovely space, please go to rentalsnsf.com. Thanks.